Hi, this is Toby Savage for 62nd Overland. Impress your friends by making bread on the fire. Very, very easy. No spooky science. All you need is flour, a bit of olive oil, some dried yeast, sugar, some salt and water. Here's what you do. Okay, first you tip some flour into an old saucepan here, maybe 2 cups full. Then you add a little bit of yeast, probably about a teaspoonful. Yep, that's enough. Then some olive oil, about that much. Bit of sugar, plenty, salt, then the water. Now the water has to be tepid, not too hot, not too cold. Sorry. Bit of warm. That's about right. Then stir that into a nice dough. There it is. After a few minutes vigorous stirring, it should look something like that. Quite gloopy. Next stage is to put the lid on and leave that by the fire to rise. Right, I'm going to put it quite close to the fire, but not so it's too hot. I'm just going to cover it with a damp tea towel. Yeah, that should be about warm enough. And put your hand there, it's not too hot. That should now rise. As the sun starts to set in the west, we now have a bread dough that we can turn out onto a floured work surface and start to knead. Having rolled it out a bit flatter, I'm just going to take a small piece, about that big, and make that into a little flatbread there. That's now ready to go on the fire. This old piece of steel that I picked up in the desert has been getting nice and hot on the fire now, so I'll just pop the bread on. That sort of looks as though it's had about enough on that side. Yeah, just about right. Give it another couple of minutes and it'll be done. And that should be it. Cooked on both sides, maybe a little bit burnt, but ouch, God, it's hot. That'll be delicious. Here we go. It's good. Good bread for saying we're 200 miles from the nearest shop.